painful to any Kenyan, that is for sure. But on this matter, when it comes to issues land is a very emotive matter. But let's start with a very simple case, which could be a matter in law, and I'm not a lawyer myself, I'm a civil engineer by profession. If somebody steals this phone and sells this to you, and then I later on discover that you bought a stolen phone, what should I do? Do I leave it with you because you bought it? No. I need to get it back, isn't it? I think that is a very simple manner to illustrate this whole issue. But having said that, there are people who should actually be brought to order. Certainly the Ministry of Land, the Land Registry. I believe if somebody got a title, and for this case, it is within the Ministry of Land to the extent that you can use to actually do your plans and approve the issues of green card and all that. It's about the corrupt officer who did that, you see. Because even if it was a land buying company, for it to get a title deed, to have it in the land registry to the extent that people can have approved the plans, then some officers colluded. Where are they? Are they all dead? And if they are dead, are there any other steps that can be taken? I believe these people are alive and well because they got a lot of money by that fraudulent transaction. They should be living well. So for sure, ESCC should go straight for these officers. You know, paper trail never disappears all of a sudden. Their signatures, those titles have a signature of the registrar plus the number. The land registrars have numbers, you see, as they stamp those on. That's somebody that should be taken to book. But unfortunately, in our case, things just go to the tail end without actually rooting the problem. If one was to go for the root cause of the problem, then you don't expect it to recur. But because now it's like the moment I can do my deal, have fraudulent papers, sell to unsuspecting people, get my money, ni shauri yao. Whatever happens, for me, I'm safe. That is the problem. It's not about Portland. Even in my constituency in Kwale, we have historical issues where the people who are living on that area, some papers were done somewhere, and people now are coming with title deeds to say, hey, this is my place. This is a family which has been there for ages, you see. But now, what happens? The government goes with the side of that one who has a paper without going into the detail on how that paper is got, and they know very well that was fraudulent because there are people living there. So certainly there are government departments which are not doing justice to this country.
And they need a cleanup.
They need a cleanup, like yesterday, for sure.
Mheshimiwa Mwangangi,